my phone is not sitting straight, but you get the point. Morning, NSC Squad. I'm trying to just, fix myself. Let me see. Yeah, it's not straight. Bear with me. It doesn't want to be straight. That's why. When it's straight, it's looking that way, but it's fine. We're going hiking. For the road. As long as there's no one behind me, that's what matters. No one behind me. Starting the day with this. Yeah, here we are. I have nails. This is how I open my dragon. Kind of last time I did it off screen. But we are going. I was just filling up my petrol because we are going hiking today. Okay, let's go. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from. Good morning. Yeah, no, today we saw Robatoba hike Kalena Robert according to Tsohang Rieng Rilo hike guys, because what? I never expected this. But yeah, let's go. But I'm glad there isn't sun, hey? Because wow, I didn't want the sun. The girlies are up. The girlies are ready. Le ready, Mara? Or la claima? La claima. I wanna go peel.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me.
Okay, two options. And the ladies, you have one option to walk up the mountain, or to the right where you kind of walk around the mountain.
Okay.
I would prefer to walk the mountain first. By the time you get halfway, your legs are quite warm already because you walk at a gradual pace, and it's beautiful this time of the morning. So yeah, the road is perfectly marked. You're just going to follow it all the way up, and then boom, you're at the top.
All right.
Okay, there's no way. There's a way for you to get down again from that side. So all you can do as well is walk all the way across. And as you get down, you'll see there's a road that kind of takes you all the way down again. But it's lovely. It's super safe here. I've been here hundreds of times. You have nothing to worry about. It's lovely. And on this side, it's more of a flat bend. And then you have like a picnic area, and there's like a nice little dam and rivers and stuff. So yeah, if you want to go this way and then go up that way, it's also a possibility. So everything here runs in a circle.
Let's just go up once. That'll work. Yeah. I think
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something.
What pressure? Sifuni views.
yes.
You're gonna say, what is that one doing? They keep sharing. Exactly.
Yeah. So more it's up to us whether we go demo or not. Banyana ba hike.
Banyana ba rata.
Yes.
Banyana ba fitness.
Serious.
Feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it wrong, then it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. Down with what you go. I wanna be down.
and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, looping. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. That make ease out.
NSC Squad. So we have arrived. We are walking and walking. This is an update. Enjoy. Thank you.
Okay. See, I knew
There's a time for everything.
See, I knew
Why are we rushing up this thing now?
Re tla khutsa he energy fedile.
the sun.
We're feeling it now. The sun will not come out.
By 10 o'clock, we need to be done with this thing.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen.
We are somewhere. Yeah, that's what I was asking. Where are we gonna be safe? Because well, nah, we should step on the stable ones. That was something, guys. That was something. My legs are telling me, Hora, that was something.
It's not my leg, but my chest.
Really? Now it's my thighs. My chest is okay, but my legs, I'm put on a girl. Yeah. Okay. Guys, I'm sweating. Look at me. And I get a little towel, but I left it in the car because I was like, they were like, I didn't take it because I was like, where am I going to put it? But I'm sorry, yeah. Get with a backpack. Reward it. I got the morale, wait. That's why I didn't want to take. Look at my face. I am sweating. I am sweating.
Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you off. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I don't you what you want. Oh, what it just.
Guys, we made it. Yo, malaporing morning. But it wasn't that hectic, honestly. It really wasn't that hectic, hey? It's doable. You can do this. Imagine.
You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I don't you what you want. Oh, what it just. Put it in the song, alright.
I think one thing that we all just need to take into mind is the beauty God has created. Like, it is so beautiful up here, and we should really take time to just be like, thank you, God. Thank you for this beauty. January, Monday, I was sharing about honoring God's time, and one of the things that it was speaking about was actually taking time to come and take in his beauty. And I think hiking is one of those things. We should definitely go hiking, take in his beauty, the beautiful mountains, the beautiful vegetation. And yeah, guys, also it's good for your mind, so definitely recommend. Definitely recommend. Morning. It's just the path going down now.
Taking notes on my keyboard. What you bothering me for? There's a room full of niggas. What you following me for? Sing a fucking sing along. So girl, what you singing for? 'Cause we burn like a seafloor. My seafloor. Money, all rolling. Big hot keys in the trash, they rolling. Two-time class, with a handful of girls, and they all so foreign. Bring some poison, bring more strong. Nice skin chick, first light from falling. Whole life dance, first light from calling. They loving the crew, they loving the crew, they loving the crew. Oh, they loving the crew, oh, they loving the crew, they loving the crew, they loving the crew, they loving the crew. Taking notes on my keyboard. What you bothering me for?
Yeah? Back to square one. We're done. We conquered. No one was even measuring the thingy. The kilometers.
Ako muna. Guys, don't come here. Siyapretend.
Recommend. I highly recommend.
Vele uzorecommenda yonke into. But we definitely recommend it. It was a good hike.
It
It
was.
was a very good hike. Not too strenuous
Mm.
and very fun.
Yeah.
But going up, we enjoyed it. The river, the greenery. It was so nice. It was so
Yes.
nice. And then coming down is
Easy.
10 minutes tops. You are done.
Your legs are shaking.
But you are done.
Mainland girls, we have for breakfast Mwinki.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, oh, for me. Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie.
Hi, NSC Squad. Welcome to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. I hope that I've motivated some of y'all to go hiking. Like, guys, as I said, hiking is such a beautiful thing. You get to experience nature and God's creation, and I just highly recommend it. Also, it's good for your mind, it's good for your brain, it's good for your body. We're king. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching yet another video right here on the NSC space. Love you loads. Please remember to share. Remember to click on the like button. Please like the video. Please share. Please tell a friend to tell another friend so they can tell another friend. Hashtag road to 1K. Here we come. But I just wanted to say, so I just want to give, you know me, man. I'm going to give a review at the end of the video. So we went to Faerie Glen Nature Reserve. The entrance is 20 rands. Yes, it's just 20 rand per person. It is located right after Mainland Mall. Literally after you pass Mainland Mall, the next robot you're gonna turn to your left and ufitlile. Literally, it's literally right here in Pretoria. And yeah, what did I forget? I'm not quite sure how many kilometers we walked because none of us was measuring the kilometers. But yeah, it was really fun. It was really beautiful. I highly recommend. So after the hike, we went out for a Bible study, breakfast date, and it was so beautiful. But yeah, I just wanted to just, consolidate. Yes, it's cool about to consolidate the video and just give a review of the place and how it was. It does get full. It was so full, but it wasn't full inside. It was just full at the parking lot. I don't understand why, but the parking was full, but inside the place it wasn't as full as the outside. So yes, I highly recommend. You can even go with your pets, your dogs, your cats, feel free. It's a beautiful place, and it's also family friendly. So if you want to go with your family, I also highly recommend. But yes, that's the end of the video. Love and light from me to you, and please make sure that you follow me on my Instagram. It's at Sarah_Nyiko, so that if I drop any campaign work and whatsoever, you can interact with me. And please share my reels. Please share my reels on your stories. Please like, please comment, interact with me, and do the most. From me to you, it is love and light. Cheers. Mwah.